Part 2 of Snowstorm. Still freezing. Anyway, this is worse. I don't think I will be able to survive. I'm not even going to sleep for a minute. 5 minutes later, I feel much better. Kind of warm up a little bit, but still cold. Anyways, I forgot my mommy made coffee. Guys, why did I say coffee? Mommy made hot chocolate for me. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna go downstairs. So cold. So cold. I'm so tired. Anyways. Oh, hey. Hey, Amelia. Hey, Mommy, I'm gonna go downstairs. Okay, do you need a blanket? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna come. You just stand in the middle so it doesn't close. Okay. I'm silly. Oh my god, Amelia. I'm scared. Don't worry, let me open it. I can't. Oh my god. Oh, I don't open it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know what to do. I need a... Oops. I need a call. Like, I have no idea about... Yeah. What? Sasha, come right now. Okay. Sister stuck. Come on. I'm trying to, but it won't work. Let's try. Yeah. Oh, it will work. Phew. Don't worry, I'm right here. Let's just go down and get your blanket. Oh my god. I'm gonna go back to sleep. Oh, don't worry. Let's go down. Anyway, okay, let me get your blanket. Okay. Is it good? Is it good? Yeah. Anyways, what do you wanna watch? I don't know, but I'm gonna pick. Nope. Yeah, movie. Okay. Guys, pretend like this area has a blanket. Yeah, because it does. Wait. Okay, let me get your blanket upstairs, okay? No, don't. It's fine, I'm gonna be safe, okay? No, this is worse. Don't worry, I'm not gonna be scared. Anyway. Oops, not there. Okay, just wait a minute. Okay, let me put that there. Okay. Here's your blanket. Oops. I feel much warm. Good. You're gonna make my soft coffee a coffee. Nope. What's there? me see. Okay, I'm just gonna get it in this cup. This one. Okay. Why is it on? I have no idea. Okay. Okay, let me warm it up a little bit. Because I'm cold and it's really... Oh my god. It's really starting to cold. I need to close this. Okay. Oh my god, it's getting even worse. Are you okay? Starting to feel a little bit cold. Oh, I know. Okay. Let me just get to this. Okay. Let me have some milk. Okay. Okay, I think it's almost a little bit. Yep, it is. Okay. These are very hot. Hot chocolate. Oh my god. I think a little bit cold again. Oh. It's fine. It's my cup. Oh. I am starting to feel cold too. Let's get inside. See you. Wait. Wait, no, mommy, no. I pressed it, but it won't work. Let me... Oh, no. Oh, no. We're stuck. I'm still... Don't worry. I'm still in here. I'm still with you. Don't worry. Don't panic. I don't know what to do. Shh. I think I have my phone in my pocket. Let me see. Oh, yeah, I do. 911. Hello? Please come. We're stuck in the elevator. Please come. Okay, bye. Oh my god. No. Okay. Oh my god. A few minutes later. Starting to get cold. Oops. But I'll never just like the other. No. I need to put this meat on. Oh my god, they're here. Okay. Okay, you're okay now, madam. Thanks so much. Anytime now, bye. Okay. So cold. So tired. Anyways, I'm gonna go downstairs. I'm kind of cold. Oops. Anyways, I'm gonna take a little bit of a shower. Well, I can't shower because I'm kind of cold. Anyways, let me see which. Oh, there's only one down. Okay, phew. Phew. Anyways, let me turn on the hot heat. Oh, I'm so tired. Even cold. even cold. I need to take a shower. Wait, but I need to go to work. You're literally in the shower. I'm freezing cold. When I'm done. No, you're not. You're still in. I'm gonna go work like this. Well, dirty, I guess. Phew. I feel much warm. Let me go and take this place. And I'm gonna put my stuff. Hey, Mom. Okay. Hey. What happened? I don't want to tell you. Okay, I'll talk. Wait. And that's it. Oh my. Whoa, that was a lot to tell. But anyway, I need to go to work. So let me see. I'm gonna take this. And probably. Nope, not that. Yeah, I'm not taking anything. I'm just gonna take this drink. Let me just put this here. I really need to go to the post office because like I need to get like more stuff. Okay. Shivering. Ooh, done. Don't is so warm. I want to stay on it forever. But I have to go now. Oops. No. Pretend never saw that, guys. Anyway, I need to go back to sleep. I'm still cold. Even everything's cold. No, say, oh, she went to work. Even though it's cold outside, I don't think it's safe. I need to go back. Daddy, yeah. Yeah. Oh my God, it's so cold. I know. It's, yeah. My God, I know. I'm trying to press, but the same in work. Let me have a go. Oh yeah, trying to press one. I'm trying to. Okay, it won't work. Wait, don't worry, I have an activator. I bet this all works. Oops, sorry guys. Okay, let me see now. What? It won't work. We're stuck here forever. No. Don't worry. I got this. Don't worry. cold. Let me try one more time. I'm pressing. Let me press 1,000,000 trillion times. Oh my god, we're stuck here forever. Oh my god. Oh. I'm pressing. Oh my god, here we work. Let me try opening it. No, it worked. Probably that happened to everyone. Let's go to sleep. Yeah. Okay, guys. This is part 2, and I'll see you in the next part. Bye, guys.